Hello, I'm Fantoni, the Scout Ghost. So today I'm going to show you something very cool that mixes mixed reality, pass-through, and artificial intelligence. So, I'm a big supporter of us developers having access to pass-through mixed reality. Many people ask me, hey, but what can you do with that? And some people ask, especially, can you do games with it? And I'm like, let me show you. So this is a demo I made on the Pico. You see, I'm on a Pico for Enterprise, but this has been made also for the Pico for Ultra, so the latest Pico Enterprise headset, because Pico gives you access to pass-through images on enterprise devices if you have been habilitated, if your application has been approved by Pico to do that. So for privacy reasons, they have to review what you're doing with access to the images. And if they approve it, then they let you do the application. So I made this sample application that Pico, by the way, is using in the various demos of the device. So let me show you what it is and why I think it's cool. So let me execute it. And of course, it's made by Unity. I'm a Unity developer, and it's been made by us of New Technology Workers from Studio. And also I've been the main dev, actually the only one making it in a few days of work. So this is a demo, a tech demo. I wanted to show you how can I make a game with artificial intelligence working with pass-through AR together. And I didn't want to make a standard, game with those agents that speak with you. They're kind of lame. So I thought, what can you do? And then I realized, why can't I play Pictionary? I really suck at drawing. And I said, let's see if AI can guess what I'm drawing. So that's why the application is PicotionAI, because it's Pico, it's running on Pico, it's Pictionary, which maybe you also know as Draw Something, and then uses AI. So the application asks me to write my name, which let's say is Tony, let's put show Y. And after I've inserted my name, I can confirm, and it says what I have to do. I just have to draw with my real pen on a real piece of paper what the image is. The 3D model that I see mixed reality in front of me. This is a tech demo, so that's why you see just a very simple interface. But I think it's already nice to play. So I say, okay, so are you ready? Let me pause my controllers, and then, okay, I have to draw a bed. So there is a catchy music playing, so let's see. Okay, I really suck at drawing a bed. So, no, it's not a television, sorry. No, not even a washing machine. No, that's a really bad drawing. Okay, now I guessed it. So I have to really make a washing machine now. So while I'm drawing, it analyzes the images from the pass-through, and it tries to guess. Okay, what's the image? Of course, I have to cover the previous drawing, otherwise it analyzes also them. It can be a chair, but it is not. Not a fridge. Please guess it's a table. No, it's not a door. Okay, table. The grapes. Okay, this maybe. I've noticed there is some difficulty sometimes. Okay, let me draw a door now. Door should be rather easy. No, it's not a sofa. Okay, a turtle. Oh my god, the turtle is complicated to draw. No, the pen. Okay, the pen has started to stop working. No, it's not milk. Okay, it's a turtle. Oh no, the hot dog. I really suck at drawing the hot dog. So let me... it's kind of a burger. No, it's not fries, it's the other one. Yes. And now the frog. Okay, you know why people don't want to play Pictionary with me, because I'm terrible at this game. My drawings are horrible. It's not a cat, but it can be. Okay, it's a frog actually. A chair. Okay, the music, you see that the effect, it means that the game is ended. The time is up. I have like 2 minutes. 8 words guessed by the AI, and second is a score. That's not bad. So you see, the idea is that the AI analyzes the images is to see what I'm drawing while I draw it, and try to guess the words. It's just I have just a set of words, so they're not infinite. They're like, I don't remember, 30, 40, something like that. And if you want some technical details, I use the OpenAI to analyze the images, and basically, and then I connected to the Pico Spatial SDK part to connect to grab the camera frame and feed it to OpenAI every few seconds to see if the image is correct. So you cannot download this application, so I am not promoting it because it's just a tech demo for the device, the enterprise devices, but you can try it. If you find Pico in some events like AWE, for instance, usually they make you try their headsets, and usually this is one of the demos you can try for free. So this was to show you how you can be more creative, also creating games with using the camera frames and AI support without doing the standard things. I think it's pretty fun. Of course, it's just a simple demo, but it's funny anyway. So I hope you can try it and let me know your feedback. And as usual, if you want to collaborate with me with something, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this video, and I wish you a great day in VR. Bye bye.